The Staff Selection Commission has released the SSC CGL Tier 1 Answer Key in online mode on the official website ssc.nic.in. Candidates can download the answer key using their roll number and password. The password is the same that is mentioned in the admit card of SSC CGL. SSC has also provided the option to raise objection against the answer key in case of any discrepancy. The SSC CGL Tier 1 Answer Key objection window is available till September 7th. Students need to pay ₹100 as the objection fee, which will be refunded if the objections are found to be correct. Careers 360 brings to you the steps to download the SSC CGL Answer Key. Visit the official website ssc.nic.in and click on the SSC CGL Answer Key link available on the home page. A PDF file will open on the screen. Click on the link available in the PDF. On the next page, select the SSC CGL exam and click on the Submit tab. After submitting the details, a login page will open now. Enter the roll number and password as per the SSC CGL admit card and click on the login button. Once you have logged in, the instructions page will appear on the screen. Read the instructions carefully and click on the Close tab available at the bottom of the page. There will be two options on the screen: questions and answers and raise objection. Click on the link "Click here to generate" to download the answer key. The answer key PDF will be displayed on the screen. The details that are mentioned on the SSC CGL Answer Key PDF are the question, the correct answer marked with green, question ID, status of the question, and the chosen option by the candidate.